Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. We are back again on a new video reaction. I just want us to go through what is going on in Biafra land, especially between Biafra Liberation Army and Nigerian Army. So we are not going to waste much time. I want you to like the video and subscribe if you are new, and comment and tell us what you think about what we're about to discuss. This video happened in Biafra land, and we are going to go through series of them, not one, not two, not three, probably maybe more than that, but we're going to monitor the minutes because I don't want the video to be too long. Just watch this.
Opening up on the left, yes. No more road. Opening up on the left, no good. Opening up on the left, no more road. You don't play the show. Yes. You don't play the show. Opening up on the left, no more road. This is more. Opening up on the left, yes. Abiowa. Abatago hadiai. I got battle India tata. Before tata was that too. I got battle India. But tata Mundi. See.
So this is a Biafra Liberation Army hidden camera CCTV capturing Nigerian Army penetrating into Biafra land, and this video is just like I told you, short clip of what is going on in Biafra Liberation Army, between Biafra Liberation Army and Nigerian Army in Biafra land. So we have also this one as well. Just pay attention. The caption of this video you are watching and just called it what it is. It said, "See them. We are at war. Nigerian terrorist army on rampage in United States of Biafra. While some of our gallant men are on social media gossiping with cabal traitors from one platform to another." Arumel. You know, this is in the Biafra land, though. This armor tank, this military heavy equipment to destroy, not to face Biafra Liberation Army, but to face innocent houses, innocent residential homes of people that have nothing to do with what is going on. That is what you can see.
They are coming to kill. So I hope they are coming. Let me assure your friends this evening all over the world that these idiots from the Sahel, we have to come down in their military uniform, because what they do is that they have Fulani Janjaweed hiding in our forts near police barracks and police commissions, or should I say army barracks and police commissions. They normally give them army uniforms to come out and attack people, pretending that they are the army. That means that in Onitsha barracks, in Obi is a barracks at HQ division or half here, there is nothing there. They think we don't know, but we know that there is nothing inside of half your barracks. We know that very well. Anytime they feel the need to come to support their fellow terrorists, because they are sending them to come to support those who are already on the ground, bandits and terrorists in our force. Nigeria has no army. They think we don't know that we know. That is why they are in a hurry to induct terrorists into formal security architecture of the sea. And I can assure you that not many of them will go back to that. You see, we are in freedom fighting. And we know that in freedom fighting, there are no rules. All the gloves are off. That was why we raised the dragon flag. You don't know the meaning of it. If you don't know, go back and check what it means. No rules of engagement. They will kill us, and we're going to kill them. But in the end, we are going to win, because we are not going to stop until Biafra is liberated. We can never stop. We will continue to fight. If there is only one girl and one boy left, let them continue to sire the next generation of Biafra. We are not. I want Britain to understand this. I want all these neo-colonialists to understand something. You see, you look at us as black people. You say, oh, Biafra is your surrounded, you cannot do anything. But I want to now let you all understand that 1967 to 1970 is not in this era that we live in. We are all going to die together. That is a very clear assurance. We are going to perish together. That thing you're looking for, you're going to find it. And I want to reiterate once again, I don't want to see any police checkpoint in Biafra land. If you come out, you will die. I don't want to see any police checkpoint anywhere. There are two things that I want to see or hear about. No checkpoint by the police or the army, and no Fulani in our land as terrorists. They can live in the township if they want to. But not in our forest, they cannot be there. They have opened the gates of hell. I cannot guarantee you that any elections will hold anymore in our land. I don't know what. I don't know if we are suffering from politicians. I don't know where this disease is coming. We must cure it. I want our enemies to understand how fanatical we are about this quest to liberate Biafra from the shackles of the iniquitous theological Republicans. You need to understand this very clearly. We are not going to stop. We are not going back. I don't care what you say. It doesn't matter what your report says. I don't care the countries living together. It is irrelevant to me. What matters is the liberation of Biafra. Therefore, if Katrina Line has any brain in her skull, if all those idiots encouraging the Sioux to continue, if they have any brain in their skull, they will say, let us allow Biafra to go to their trouble, because I can assure you, as night follows day, and Biafra must come or we all die in the process. Do you know why? Because what we are looking for is what belongs to us. I am asking for something that I had before the white man came. White man is not God. Take it all home. He's not God just in heaven. I assure you, God Almighty is in heaven, and His will must be done upon our lives. They are not God. Nobody can create a country for me. I decide where I want to belong to. The people must decide if Nigeria is the country or not. Not a white man and a white woman. All these idiots suffering from inferiority complex. Shame on all of you. You are foolish. Useless black people. Because of your stupidity. That is why Africa is being treated the way it is to be.